Hi, my name is Shanique Lewis, and I'll be showing you some built-in accessibilities that are on my Windows computer. So I'm going to pull up Word in the corner and some built-in accessibilities. On your keyboard, there is a Windows button. So I'm going to press my Windows key and type in ease of access keyboard settings. And there's different things you can do. You can cut on your sticky keys, so if you continue to press a button over and over again, it will stop that. Also, so first we're going to use my on-screen keyboard. Once you turn that on, I can type. Make sure you take caps back off. So just like keep your keyboard on your computer, you can put an on-screen. You can tab over, you can press enter and it will bring you down. Same ordeal. Nothing changes. You will do caps the same way, and so on and so forth. There's also a Windows button on here as well that will pull up your Windows screen. The next thing I want to show is your mouse cursor. You can change the size of your cursor, this is especially important for individuals that have vision problems. So you can change your cursor, the size you want, the color if it's easier to see it in black, or different colors. I never knew this was a thing, so I kind of like it as well. Next, you can change your cursor. So this is what you'll see here. You can change the font on how big it is on Word. If you make it smaller, we'll go back to, there you go. I should probably turn it on. This is where you'll see how big it gets, and you can move it around to where it needs to be. You can change the size and the color. And they always show you an example of what it would look like. Next, we have our magnifying glass, and you can turn that up, and it will make everything bigger. You can minimize it to the normal 100% setting, or you can zoom in as far and wide as you want. You move the mouse back and forth, it will be able to slide you over. So I'm going to zoom back out, exit that out. You can change the color of the invert colors, which helps with vision as well. Next, you have color filters, which will darken your screen. Sometimes colors are very, I don't want to say stimulating. Maybe that is the word stimulating. Stimulating to the eyes, and just black and white helps a little bit better to stay focused. You can change it to inverted, grayscale, inverted, different colors. And then lastly, I want to show you your narrator. The narrator is a screen reader that describes what's going on your screen, and you can use the information to navigate through your device.
Narrator dialog. OK. Button. Settings with scan. Narrator heading level 1. Welcome to Narrator. This is Narrator Home, where you can get help, access your settings, and learn about new features. Narrator is a screen reader that describes aloud what's on your screen, so you can use that information to navigate your device. To start or set up Narrator, press the Windows logo key plus Control plus Enter. Explore the sections below to get started. Quick start. Exiting Narrator.
So then it tells you that you're exiting, and it will tell you everything that you're doing.
Narrator dialog. Settings with scan. Narrator heading up. Settings window. Use narrator. Turn on narrator. Toggle switch. On. Scan off. Document 1. Word window. Document 1. Editing. Hey, how are you? Selected. Blank.
So as you can see from what I previously wrote using this keyboard, you are able to highlight your words so it can be read to you or individuals. It tells you everything that's going on.
Settings window. Use narrator. Turn on narrator. Toggle switch. On.
So it tells you, it describes everything that's going on.
Document 1. Word window. Document 1. Editing.
So if I pull up different things,
Module 5 to 200,170.76893 EDSE 517-003. All 2020 screen recorder pane. Settings window. Exiting narrator.
so that was a quick tutorial of a couple things that you can use in to help you on your computer. I hope this was helpful, and thank you.